here it is, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Just delivered to me a couple of days ago after waiting for 4 months. I initially placed a pre-order with B&H Photo on May 14th, which was the day after the launch date for these drones. And then I started seeing information that DJI is not going to ship these to the US, and then there's border restrictions and customs and DJI safety, security, and a possible DJI ban. And frankly, after 4 months of not hearing anything, I had pretty much given up on getting this. I still have my Mavic 2 Pro, and I had just resigned myself that that was just going to be the last drone that I had from DJI. Then last week I get an email and says, your order has shipped from B&H Photo. And I thought, at first actually, I thought that I had ordered something else and just forgot about it. And it was that item, but I looked and sure enough, it was this drone. And this is exactly how it was delivered into my hands from the FedEx delivery personnel. So, enough yapping. Let's open it up and see what we got. There it is. This is the Fly More combo. Wow, that's pretty nice. Cool. Neat. Parallel charging hub. Multiple sets of spare propellers. I think there's 3 sets included, 3 extra sets. This is the RC2 controller, very comfortable. As I mentioned, I've been flying the Mavic 2 Pro now for 6 years, so this is going to be quite an upgrade for me. Cool. That's impressive. Various cables. Charging brick. USB-C cables. And this case is very nice. Handle, shoulder strap. Feels pretty rugged. I like that. Zipper compartment here. 2 compartments separated. Quick start manual. This battery has a little bit of a charge, so let's see if it'll power up. So, as I mentioned, this drone has been available in other parts of the world for about 4 months now. And if you've been researching this drone even a little bit, you already know that there are multiple videos already out there about how to set it up and the best settings for video and photography and tutorials, and just about anything that you want to know out there is already available. And those people are already well experienced with the drone, so that's not something that I'm going to try to cover here for you. But if you found this helpful or just enjoyed watching, please hit the like button. That tells YouTube to recommend this to more viewers. And if you appreciate this type of content, you might consider subscribing to my channel. But in any case, I hope that you will be back soon for another video.